everybody, it's Talia and welcome back to another video, guys. And today's video is going to be a first impression and review on these lovely Glamnetic Magnetic Lashes. I'm so excited to try on and tell you my honest thought about these lashes. I've never ever tried magnetic lashes, so I'm really excited and nervous at the same time because I struggle applying lashes, so me applying magnetic lashes is something gonna be very interesting. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Talia and welcome to my channel, guys. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button and notification bell so you won't miss any videos. I really hope that you guys are doing well and safe out there. And yeah, let's go ahead and start with this video. I received a package and I did pick out 3 lashes. I picked out an eyeliner and they send me a little I don't know what's it called, but I'll tell you in a bit. If you guys don't know what is Glamnetic, it's a company that sells magnetic lashes. They sell eyeliners. They're meant for the magnetic lashes because they stick on it. So they have different kinds of eyeliner for you to pick out, especially the tip, depending how well you use it. I totally forgot that I need to apply eyeliner for this. That's okay. It's an eyeshadow, so it's all good. It's all good. Totally forgot about that. They also sell press-on nails. They sell so many kinds of styles of press-ons. They're very affordable. They also have lashes that are very affordable as well. But yeah, it's really cool. Go ahead and check them out. I'll link it down below for you guys. There's also a code if you guys are interested, 15. You will save up to 15% off on your purchase. So go ahead and take advantage of that if you guys like. I do not get commission, but it's for you to save money. Let's go ahead and show you guys what I picked out. First lash that I picked out is the Livin lash. This is the premium magnetic eyelashes, and this is what the packaging looks like. Very stunning. Behind the package, it tells you how to apply the lashes. So it gives you tips how to apply it. The first step is basically cut the magnetic lashes down to your fit eye width. Magnetic eyeliner on your lash line and allow it to dry. Lash from either corner cleans with a waterproof makeup remover. To reuse, clean the magnetic lashes, gently scratching off the dry magnetic liner. Use magnetics, cotton candy pads or cloth to gently clean off the magnets, if any. How to apply, how to clean it, which is really good because I didn't even know how to clean it. So anyway, so when I opened this up, I got the Livin lash. They're very cute. I love how it looks. This is what it looks like. So stunning. I love it. I feel like it's a really nice whips lashes, and it's very short, not too dramatic. 731 Glamnetic QT, and these are very short lashes. They're very nice. Let me show you guys. Really nice. Very short, not too dramatic. I think it's a perfect length. It looks very natural. The QT, which is very cute, very small. It's a short whips lashes. And then the last lash that I picked out is the Virgo Lashes, and this is what it looks like. It's so stunning. I feel like it looks a little bit dramatic but not too crazy. I think it's perfect. Basically, I got all the lashes short, so I think it's very nice length. But yeah, I like how this packaging looks because you can just pull this out. Just grab it, you know. I think it's cute. Really excited to try them out. There's different kind of tip eyeliners, and I decided to go with something more easy to apply. I like more of a marker tip, if that makes sense. I feel like those are really easy to apply and create your little eyeliner. So I got the tip one, and this one is So Future Glamnetic Felt Tip Eyeliner Pen. Directions. I love the packaging has directions even on the eyeliner, because just in case I forget. That's what the pen looks like. And it says Glamnetic So Future Magnetic Fill Tip Eyeliner Pen, and it tells you directions how to apply the eyeliner. Shake well before each use. Apply even coat by gliding the filled brush tip along the upper lash line. Wait 5 to 10 seconds and then repeat 2 to 3 minutes for maximum hold. For optimal results, Glamnetic Lashes onto your eyeliner immediately after the lash. And this is called Deep Space. And I like anything that is this tip. I feel like this tip is more easy for me to apply eyeliner. It's the Glamnetic Lash Grab. This is what I got. I feel like it's important to have this. Even though I use my finger, like, it's all good. This is so cute for your, I think it's for your little lashes. A lash grab. And basically this helps you to adjust the lashes without using your finger. Yes, but this is cute. I like it. Get a little bit closer because I'm gonna need a mirror too, because you never know. Inner pen, and it says to shake before applying it. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the eyeliner, even though I already applied the eyeshadow eyeliner, but totally forgot that this is required to apply the magnetic lashes, but it's all good. I'm gonna try to make this work. I apply eyeliner, I usually stay quiet and not say anything, so I'm gonna be silenced for a bit, maybe a minute or so. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm so bad at applying eyeliner. Like, this is so bad, but you know what? I'm just gonna like do my best. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. And go in with the Glamnetic Livin Lash. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this lash. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. See. I need a mirror. Easy to apply, and you can tell like the difference. I think I applied too much eyeliner, but it's all right. Go ahead and apply a little bit more on the other side. Too much, it's all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other lash, and it's crazy how it sticks. I'm not used to applying comfortable. It doesn't look too crazy, but I had to apply so much because, like I said, I'm not very good at applying liner. And then in order for the magnetic to hold with your lash line, eyeliner, you need to apply a little bit more bold, more thicker the eyeliner. So I apply a thin, but that didn't hold the lash. So I had to apply another layer of eyeliner to hold my lash. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the eyeliner, my lash, and apply it quick before it dries, because I've noticed that when you apply the eyeliner, it dries and it doesn't stick anymore. So I don't want that to happen. It's so good. They're easy to apply. I do have to learn my lesson that don't apply like in the outer corner. But yeah, other than that, it's really good. It was so easy to apply and I kind of like it. I really like it. It just took me a minute to get used to it. And my eyeliner, like I said, is freaking thick right now. See, and then once you remove it, they're like so easy to remove. Please ignore my eyeliner so bad. Best part is that they kind of stick back. So let me show you guys. So you put it back and it connects. And then try the Virgo ones. And like they're so easy to remove. Like, wow. See, let me try the Virgos. All right. Like, see how easy they stick? Wow, these are stunning. They're not too dramatic. These are like perfect. These are stunning. I love these. These were so easy to apply compared to the other ones. But I just love it. I don't think it's not too dramatic. I think they're perfect. Apply the other one. So. Okay, I have to get this here. And there you go. Honestly, it's amazing how well this works. This eyeliner looks more crazy, but it looks a little bit dramatic, which is crazy. But honestly, they're easy to remove. I just need to like get used to the eyeliner, get adjusted. But other than that, I really, really like it. They're very nice. They're very natural. The Virgo is more of a dramatic lash, but not too dramatic. And the Livin lash, I think these are perfect whips. They're very short, very nice. The only thing is I need to adjust the length of the lash. But honestly, I love it. They're super comfortable. And the only thing is I need to get more practice with the eyeliner. But other than that, fantastic. The Livin lash and the Virgo, I think, is a little bit dramatic. But you know what? I'm just gonna like think it will be great for a night out or something. And the QT, I think these were so cute and short for every day. So I'm really excited to try the QT. That's pretty much it with my video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.